A family is demanding answers following the death of their baby, who they say was repeatedly taken to hospital but never properly treated. Yannick Williams has this report.
Elani Elisha Edwards, born on December 26, 2025 at the Spanish Town Hospital, died on February 25, 2026, after what the parents described as a sudden and unexplained illness. 2 weeks after taking home their newborn baby, things took a turn for the worse after she developed breathing problems.
Me and our mom run with her, go to the Spanish Town, the closest hospital to us. Run to the Spanish Town hospital over there. And when we reached there, they was saying that because the reason why we go there, our mother feed her and put her down. When our mother put her down, if we take up something, the mother observed that breast milk was coming up back out of the baby nose. So she take her up and something, and we decided to rush with her go to the hospital. Rush with her go to the hospital, close to the hospital. They were saying that she have an infection caused on breast milk in her lungs. Right, Shanti? And her lungs. So they proceeding to give her antibiotics. And no, they said them gonna draw blood and certain things to test and do other tests.
The parents say their baby was treated with medication for 7 days to clear an infection and was expected to be discharged. However, she developed a urinary tract infection, so her admission was extended, and through each passing day, her condition worsened.
Though the urine infection, I've had for the 10 days because it extended now to 10 days. After that, them discharge after the 10 days, them give me a follow-up date and say I come back for ward review. I come back for ward review now. After I come back for ward review, I said to the doctor and said my baby sounds stuffy. She said to me, all right, Mom, I'm going to give her nose drops. She gave me the nose drop and said follow back for the ward review and then give me one test for go run, for do a KUB, ultrasound for go do on her. And some for come back with it so she can come off for the antibiotic and then send me one with her on antibiotic.
2 weeks after the baby was declared free of the infection, another issue emerged.
Mommy, she breathe too hard. Someone said I said it to the doctor the last time I was here. She said that people crash and stuff, that's why she breathe too hard. And I said, okay. The doctor said to me, say, probably her iron low or she have an infection on her chest.
She was later sent to do an x-ray. At that point, the doctor spoke with the mother.
He said to me, say, oh, Mommy, see there are infection on her chest. Other doctor come to me and say, Ashanti, maybe it's not infection, maybe it's her iron low. They might keep her, they might admit her, keep her and give her blood. If they give her blood and her heart rate come back down, then we'll discharge her.
After being discharged, the child's condition continued to worsen. The parents say their concerns were repeatedly dismissed. They allege the baby was sent home each time without proper examination or diagnosis, and that the lack of urgency from medical staff contributed to the child's death.
I go on back with the baby still a fight for breathe. The baby a breathe and her head a bubble.
The baby died 2 days after being sent home. The cause of the illness remains unknown. The grieving parents are now calling for an investigation into the matter, insisting that more could have been done to save their child. When TVJ News contacted the Southeast Regional Health Authorities, SERHA, they noted they have initiated a comprehensive internal review to fully understand the circumstances involved. SERHA says it's treating the matter seriously, however, is unable to share specific details due to patient confidentiality. It says it remains committed to transparency, accountability, and the highest standards of care. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.